AI/ML product, YieldVision AI. Architect, Pradeep K. Suri. Flowchart explanation. 1. Start. The process begins by loading historical manufacturing data and external economic factors like inflation and economic growth. 2. Data pre-processing. Data is cleaned and pre-processed before training. 3. Split data. The data is split into training and testing sets. 4. Model training. A random forest model is trained on the historical data. 5. Cross-validation. The model's reliability is evaluated using four-fold cross-validation. 6. Scenario analysis. Management can adjust economic factors for scenario planning. 7. Forecast generation. The model generates future manufacturing yield forecasts. 8. Visualization. Dual-axis graphs help management visualize the relationship between yields and economic factors. 9. Decision-making. The forecasts support resource allocation, budgeting, and strategic decisions. 10. Reporting. The results are communicated to senior management. This program demonstrates how external factors like inflation are incorporated into yield forecasting, providing visual insights through interactive Plotly flowcharts. Let me know if you'd like to adjust or extend this flowchart. YieldVision AI is an advanced, AI-driven forecasting tool designed to predict manufacturing yields while accounting for external economic factors such as inflation and economic growth. It leverages machine learning, specifically random forest algorithms, to analyze historical production data and economic indicators, providing accurate yield predictions. With features like scenario analysis and dual-axis visualizations, YieldVision AI enables management to assess the impact of changing economic conditions on production outcomes. The tool supports data-driven decision-making, improves resource allocation, and enhances strategic planning, making it ideal for businesses seeking to optimize operations in dynamic economic environments. The flowchart for the yield predictor can inflate manufacturing yield forecasting model is designed to visually represent the step-by-step process of forecasting manufacturing yields while incorporating external economic factors like inflation and economic growth. This flowchart helps to understand how data flows through the model, from input to final decision-making and reporting. Below is a breakdown of each step in the flowchart. 1. Start. The process begins with initializing the forecasting model. This is where the system is ready to gather all necessary data and perform analysis. 2. Load historical data. Historical manufacturing data, including production yields, is loaded into the model. This data is critical as it serves as the primary input for the forecasting model. 3. Load economic factors. External economic data such as inflation rates and economic growth indicators are integrated into the model. These factors are crucial for understanding the broader environment that can impact manufacturing performance. 4. Pre-processed data. In this step, both the historical manufacturing data and economic data are cleaned and prepared for analysis. This could involve handling missing values, normalizing data, and ensuring it's in the correct format for modeling. 5. Split data, training/test. The prepared dataset is divided into two parts: training data, used to train the model, and test data, used to evaluate the model's accuracy. This ensures that the model can be validated on data it hasn't seen during training. 6. Train random forest model. The core forecasting model used here is a random forest, a powerful machine learning algorithm. It takes the historical manufacturing data and external economic factors as inputs and builds a predictive model for forecasting future yields. 7. Cross-validation, four-fold. Four-fold cross-validation is used to ensure the reliability of the model. In this process, the dataset is divided into 4 subsets, and the model is trained and tested on different combinations of these subsets. This technique helps to avoid overfitting and ensures that the model generalizes well to unseen data. 8. Evaluate model. After training, the model's performance is evaluated. Key metrics like the mean squared error, MSE, are calculated to measure how accurate the predictions are. This step helps management understand the reliability of the forecasts. 9. Scenario analysis. Adjust economic factors. The model allows for adjustments of the external economic factors, such as simulating different inflation rates or growth scenarios. This is critical for scenario analysis, where management can evaluate how changes in the economic environment might impact manufacturing yields. 10. Generate yield forecasts. Based on the trained model, yield forecasts are generated for future periods. These forecasts help management make informed decisions about production planning, resource allocation, and budgeting. 11. Visualize forecasts with dual axis, yield vs inflation. The predictions are visualized using dual axis charts that plot both manufacturing yields and economic factors like inflation. This enables management to draw correlations between economic conditions and production outcomes. 12. Make data-driven decisions. The insights from the forecasts enable management to make better operational and strategic decisions. By relying on data, decisions related to production, financial planning, and resource allocation become more informed and less dependent on intuition. 13. Report to management. Finally, the results, including yield forecasts and scenario analyses, are presented to management using clear and interactive visualizations. This step is crucial for communicating the results and making the forecasts actionable. 14. End. The process concludes after reporting and the model provides its outputs. Management can now take action based on the insights and forecasts provided by the model. Key concepts. Random forest model. This machine learning algorithm is used for predicting yields. It works by constructing multiple decision trees and combining their predictions for more accurate and robust forecasts. Four-fold cross-validation, a technique used to ensure that the model's predictions are reliable by testing it on different portions of the data set, ensuring that the results are not biased. Scenario analysis. This feature allows management to see the potential impacts of different economic conditions, helping them prepare for various future possibilities. Dual-axis visualization. The use of dual-axis charts makes it easy to visualize the relationship between manufacturing yields and economic factors such as inflation, enhancing understanding and communication. Summary. This flowchart demonstrates how the yield predictor can inflate model integrates both historical manufacturing data and economic factors to forecast yields. It highlights the role of random forest as the forecasting algorithm and emphasizes the use of scenario analysis and cross-validation for reliable, actionable insights. Through this process, businesses can make better strategic decisions, optimize resources, and manage risks associated with external economic changes. The YieldVision AI model can also be adapted for agriculture yield forecasting. In this context, it would predict crop yields by incorporating factors like weather conditions, soil quality, historical crop production, and external economic factors such as inflation, market demand, and commodity prices. The core AI algorithms, such as random forest, would analyze these variables to provide reliable yield predictions. Key benefits of using YieldVision AI for agriculture. Weather and climate impact. Predict how changing weather patterns affect crop yield. Soil and environmental data. Integrate soil health and moisture data for accurate predictions. Economic factors. Analyze how inflation, input costs, like seeds, fertilizer, and commodity prices influence yield. Scenario planning. Simulate different agricultural and market conditions to make strategic farming decisions. Resource optimization. Help farmers allocate resources more efficiently by predicting crop yields in advance. This adaptation can empower farmers, agricultural businesses, and policymakers to make data-driven decisions, improving productivity and sustainability in farming operations. Yield predictor can inflate, manufacturing yield forecasting model with economic and inflation factors. The yield predictor can inflate model is an AI/ML-based tool designed to predict manufacturing yields while considering external economic factors such as inflation and economic growth. The model aims to support management in making data-driven decisions by providing accurate forecasts and visual insights into how external factors affect production outcomes. The use of random forest for forecasting and cross-validation techniques ensures the reliability and accuracy of the predictions. 1. Forecasting and planning. Yield forecasting. The random forest model uses historical manufacturing data and external economic factors to predict future yields. Management can leverage these predictions to improve capacity planning, resource allocation, and budgeting. This ensures more efficient operations based on data-backed insights. Scenario analysis. The model allows for adjustments of external factors such as inflation and economic growth, enabling management to analyze different scenarios. This helps organizations prepare for various economic conditions by evaluating the potential impacts on yields, allowing for more strategic adjustments. 2. Understanding external impacts. Inflation and economic growth analysis. By integrating external economic factors into the forecast model, management can gain insights into how changes in inflation rates and economic growth affect manufacturing performance. This offers a deeper understanding of the broader economic environment, allowing businesses to adapt to changing economic conditions. Dual-axis visualization. The use of Plotly's dual-axis chart enables management to visualize manufacturing yields alongside economic indicators like inflation. This helps in drawing correlations between economic conditions and production outcomes, providing a clearer picture of external influences. 3. Improving decision-making. Data-driven decisions. The model enables data-driven forecasts, reducing reliance on intuition or anecdotal methods. More reliable predictions lead to better decision-making in areas such as operational strategy, financial planning, and risk management. Risk management. By forecasting future yields and analyzing the impact of external factors, the model helps in identifying potential risks. Management can take proactive measures to mitigate risks or take advantage of favorable economic conditions. 4. Strategic planning. Budgeting and financial planning. The accurate yield forecasts assist in setting financial goals and budgets. By factoring in potential changes in production costs and revenues, management can make better informed decisions about investment and cost management. Resource optimization. Understanding future yield trends enables the business to optimize its resources efficiently, such as adjusting inventory levels or workforce allocations. This results in cost savings and ensures that production capacity aligns with future needs. 5. Communication and reporting. Interactive visualizations. The model utilizes interactive visualizations that make it easier to present complex data clearly and effectively to stakeholders. These visualizations facilitate the communication of forecasts and analysis to senior management or external stakeholders. Scenario comparison. Management can visualize and compare various potential outcomes by adjusting external economic factors in the model. This enables decision-makers to evaluate strategic choices based on different economic scenarios. Fourfold cross-validation in random forest. From a management perspective, understanding the model's evaluation through fourfold cross-validation helps in assessing its performance reliability and in making informed decisions. 1. Model evaluation and reliability. Cross-validation purpose. The fourfold cross-validation process divides the dataset into 4 parts, where each part is used as a test set while the others are used for training. This method provides a more reliable estimate of model performance compared to a simple train-test split, reducing the risk of overfitting. Reliability of results. By rotating the test set, the model uses all data points for both training and testing, ensuring a robust evaluation. This leads to more accurate predictions and a better understanding of how the model will perform on unseen data. 2. Decision-making and risk management. Informed decisions. The performance metrics, such as negative mean squared error, MSE, give management insight into the accuracy of the model's forecasts. This supports informed decisions regarding budgeting, resource allocation, and production strategy. Mitigating risks. A well-validated model reduces the risk of making decisions based on inaccurate forecasts, enabling management to better gauge potential outcomes and manage risks. 3. Resource allocation and efficiency. Optimal use of data. Cross-validation ensures that the model uses the available data efficiently, which is especially crucial for smaller data sets. This improves the reliability of predictions and provides a robust foundation for decision-making. Computational efficiency. Fourfold cross-validation balances computational resources with model evaluation, ensuring efficiency while providing accurate results. 4. Communication and reporting. Clear metrics for stakeholders. The results of the cross-validation, including the mean squared error, provide clear metrics to communicate model performance to stakeholders. This helps build trust in the model's predictions and enhances transparency. Comparison. 3-fold, 4-fold, and 5-fold cross-validation. 3-fold cross-validation results. Negative MSE, minus 13.3904, minus 7.6176, minus 0.04. Test set forecast, 24.88, 25.44. Mean squared error, 17.824. 4-fold cross-validation results. Negative MSE, minus 7.7284, minus 0.0676, minus 7.6176, minus 0.04. Test set forecast, 24.88, 25.44. Mean squared error, 17.824. Comparison. Both 3-fold and 4-fold cross-validation yield similar results in terms of forecasted manufacturing yield and mean squared error. 4-fold cross-validation offers a slightly more consistent performance with reduced variation in the negative MSE values across the folds, making it a preferred option for more reliable model evaluation. Summary. The yield predictor can inflate model provides a comprehensive approach for manufacturing yield forecasting by incorporating external economic factors into the prediction process. Through the use of random forest and cross-validation techniques, management gains access to reliable data-driven insights for strategic planning, risk management, and resource optimization. The model's visualizations and scenario analysis capabilities enhance decision-making and ensure a clearer understanding of how inflation and economic growth affect production outcomes. Thank you.